Hello, my name is Anna. I am 23 years old. I am from Uzbekistan. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Anna. Nice to meet you too. My name is Alex. I am 25 years old.
Alex, tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a big family. I have a father, a mother, one brother, and one sister.
That's nice. What does your father do?
My father is a driver. He works very hard.
And your mother?
My mother is a teacher. She works at a school.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family. We are very close. What about your family?
I have a small family. I have a father, a mother, and one younger brother.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
And your mother?
My mother is a housewife. She takes care of our family.
That is wonderful. Family is very important.
Yes, I love my family very much.
Me too. Family is everything.